Okay, so your boy's back in France. You know, Toulouse basket. Okay, so this is my third season in France. This is like the first time I'm playing in France where I'm actually in the south. The first two places I played were more northern, and this is like much farther than I played, and it's much different. It's really different, so it's pretty interesting. So we'll see how I'm able to put this together so you guys will get a visual representation of how much farther I am from where I was and how different it is. I got here Tuesday, and immediately the next day they drove us like 6 hours to this cool-ass ski resort. The city is called SuperDévoluy. You guys already know my pronunciations are trash, so don't quote me on that. But let me show you what I'm working with real quick. Bring you guys into this house they got us in. All right, I'll show you guys what we got kicking on right here. You know, nothing crazy. One bathroom right here. It's my boys, you know. His room's right here, but I'm not gonna show you what's in there. Got a little kitchen going on here. No one's using any of that. Of course, I got my little workstation. Little baby TV. A couch. Of course, we got views. I'm about to take you guys upstairs. All right, I'll show you guys what I'm working on right here. You know, nothing crazy. Little bed. No view. Oh, okay, we got a little something. We got some views from here. You know, shared bathroom. And my teammate's room right here. But I'm not gonna expose it, you know, my teammate's rooms and stuff. And yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. We got this little baby window. That's right here. Oh, look at these losers coming up right now. Yo, but this ski resort is something special, man. Like the mountain ranges is far and wide. I'm about to show you guys crazy footage of this place. But essentially, this whole trip is like sort of like a team cohesion kind of setup. We did like this Ninja Warrior tree climbing thing, which I thought was crazy. I got a bunch of bruises from that. Today we went on like a 45-minute run, hike. We did a scavenger hunt already. Maybe I'll throw some clips of that in there. And tomorrow we're gonna do like another 4-hour hike. So it's been kind of cool. We all got in the pool. There's a jacuzzi. So we haven't played basketball yet. We're supposed to play basketball in a few days. And yeah, this is just to like get to know get to know each other and kind of just hang around until official preseason starts.